You're watching Tap Tech, where we bring you straight, simple, and authentic reviews of the latest tech you care about. Today, we're looking at the DJI Osmo 360 camera, a device designed to take content creation to the next level with immersive video and photography. If you've been curious about where DJI is taking its imaging lineup, this one is worth your attention. The DJI Osmo 360 camera is built to give creators more control and more freedom when capturing their world. It combines DJI's well-known stabilization technology with a full 360-degree perspective, which means you can capture everything around you in stunning detail. The specifications make it clear that this camera is not just about wide angles, it's about detail and smooth performance. It's equipped with high-resolution dual lenses capable of shooting in 8K 360 video, offering excellent clarity and color accuracy. It also supports 4K video at higher frame rates, making it versatile for different types of content. The internal stabilization system is powered by DJI's latest algorithm, ensuring even action-heavy shots remain smooth. On the still side, the camera produces sharp and balanced images with strong dynamic range. When you look at the design and build quality, DJI has kept its focus on portability and durability. The Osmo 360 is compact, lightweight, and easy to carry, which makes it ideal for creators who want to capture while on the move. It's built with a solid frame that feels premium and rugged, and it's water-resistant to handle splashes and light rain. The rounded design not only looks sleek but also makes it easy to hold and mount on accessories. DJI has thought about practical use cases here, and that's what makes it feel user-friendly right out of the box. The display is a small but bright touchscreen, allowing quick access to settings and previews. It's responsive and easy to navigate even under direct sunlight. For those who prefer external control, the camera pairs seamlessly with DJI's mobile app, which offers live preview, editing tools, and AI features for automating certain edits. Performance is where this camera really shines. The Osmo 360 delivers consistently smooth, sharp, and vibrant footage across a variety of environments. Whether you're shooting indoors, in low light, or outdoors in bright conditions, the camera adapts well. The HDR video mode enhances contrast and detail, while low-light performance is improved compared to previous models. DJI's image stabilization remains one of the best in the industry, and when paired with the wide 360 capture, it gives you endless possibilities for creative output. Software and features are designed with creators in mind. The DJI app includes easy editing options, AI auto-tracking, and automated reframing, which lets you convert 360 footage into regular cinematic videos with just a few taps. You also get features like slow motion, hyperlapse, and live streaming support directly from the camera. The AI tracking ensures subjects remain centered, even in 360 footage, which is a game changer for vloggers and action creators. Battery life is solid, giving you around 2 hours of continuous 4K recording or slightly less in 8K mode. Charging is quick via USB-C, and the camera also supports fast charging to get you back in action sooner. For longer sessions, DJI provides battery accessories, making it easy to swap and keep shooting. For creators focused on gaming-style recordings, VR projects, or even professional vlogs, the Osmo 360 offers creative performance that goes beyond standard action cameras. The ability to reframe, edit, and share content directly from your phone speeds up the process while keeping quality high. Audio is also impressive for a compact 360 camera. It includes built-in directional microphones that automatically adjust to capture immersive sound matching the direction of the video. The noise reduction system works well in windy or noisy conditions, though external mic support is also available for professionals who want more control. Connectivity options are modern and versatile, with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for quick pairing, as well as direct app integration. The camera also supports cloud uploads, so you can back up or share content on the go. In terms of price and value, DJI positions the Osmo 360 to compete with other 360 cameras in the premium range. While it's not cheap, the combination of features, stabilization, and image quality makes it worth it for serious creators who need reliability and flexibility. Looking at the pros, you get excellent video quality up to 8K, outstanding stabilization, strong app integration, versatile editing features, and a compact yet durable design. On the cons side, the battery life could be longer in 8K mode, and the premium price may not appeal to casual users. The final verdict is clear: the DJI Osmo 360 is a powerhouse for content creators. If you want immersive, stabilized, and professional-looking footage with the ability to reframe and edit on the fly, this camera delivers. It's not just a step forward, it's DJI showing where 360 cameras are heading. You've been watching Tap Tech, where we keep things real and simple so you know exactly what's worth your time and money. Don't forget to stay tuned, because more honest reviews are coming your way.